Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you step by step how to sign up for Thread app. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Threads for Instagram app, and you will get this application. Simply download this application to your mobile device if you are on the Android or on the iPhone. So once you will download it on your device, simply you have to click on the open and you will get this interface like Instagram. So once you will do it, here you will get your Instagram username. So if you want to connect your Instagram with this application, simply click on the username, and here you can see get ready for the threads. Now you have to enter your bio or link or username according to your choice, or if you want to import from the Instagram, simply you have to click on it and then click on the continue, and here you will get two options, public and private. So if you want to create public profile, go for public, and otherwise you can create private profile and then click on it. Here you will see your Instagram followers. So if you want to follow them on the Thread app, simply you can click on the follow, otherwise you have to click on the arrow on the right top, and here you will get a tutorial of how thread works, so you can read it according to here. Now click on the join threads. So once you will do it, after that your thread account is ready. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.